Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can create a WhatsApp group. So without any further ado, let's just dive right into it. So the first step is you opening up WhatsApp. So after you open up your WhatsApp, tap on the top right plus icon. After you tap on it, tap on new group. So tap on it, and there you might want to search for people you want to add on your WhatsApp group. So just search for them, and after you search for them, just you know add them and tap on next. So here you will need to add your group's name. So I'm just going to name this test. Now before I teach you guys what next you can do, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button, and also press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's continue. So now what you can do is you can even go to group permissions, and here you can set up limitations. So you can choose your members from editing group settings, or sending messages, or even adding other members. So restrictions can be added to the groups, but if you don't want that, you can just go back and tap on create, and this will create a new group for you. So this is basically how you create a WhatsApp group, guys. Thanks for watching. Now you can even send text to the group. And yeah, that's all there is to it. Don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions, just go down to the comment section below and leave a question, and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.